Hello everyone and welcome to the Quantphilic. So today we'll be answering that was CAT 23 QA slot 3 really tough because many are saying that out of the three slots QA slot 3 was very tough and scoring in that slot was slot 3 QA was very tough. Okay, so let us figure it out with Quantphilic. So let us start. So before this, first of all, let us see what was the score versus the percentile this year. Okay, in QA. So you can see that at 9 marks we are able to get 81 percentile. Okay, so 80 percentile is approx cutoff for all the colleges. Okay, I'm talking about general. Okay, 80 for all the colleges, and 80 means 9 marks. 9 marks means 3 into 3 questions. Okay, so many are saying that even crossing this benchmark, this cutoff is tough. Okay, so they claim that even solving 3 questions was difficult. Okay, now coming to IIM Lucknow, the cutoff sectional cutoff is 85 percentile. Okay, 85. So if we take this range, that is 11.5. So 4 question was also tough. Okay, I'm not taking Ahmedabad here as well because Ahmedabad sectional cutoff is 70. That is way too low. Means 1-2 question done. Okay, now also, as I have always said in my Telegram group, that only with arithmetic you can score 95. Okay, and 95 means 16.6. So on a safer side, I am taking 18 questions. Okay, 18 questions, that is 6 question. Okay, 6 question, 6 question. Now let us see that whether scoring this much is possible or not. We'll figure it out. Okay, and this video is like this I am saying not only with respect to engineers, it is for everyone. Engineers plus non-engineers. Okay, for everyone it is. All those who have practiced, or like they would have followed my thing that only arithmetic will fetch 95 percentile. I have always said in the group that only arithmetic can fetch you 95 percentile. Now let us try to see that whether I was right or wrong. Okay, 4 question this is, and 6 question is for 95 percentile. Sorry, not 4 question, 6 question. Okay, let us see. So let us start. Okay, question number 1. For some, so as I said that only arithmetic 95 percentile. So as soon as you see algebra question, we'll skip it. For some for some real numbers a and b, the system of equation, this is this has different solution, the maximum possible. Algebra, skip. X is positive number, o x आ गया, skip. फिर x आ गया, skip. mn आ गया, skip. नंबर सिस्टम, ठीक है, अलजेब्रा नहीं कर रहा तो नंबर सिस्टम तो करना ही होगा. ओके, बट अगले राउंड में करेंगे. कीप इट ऑन होल्ड. होल्ड है भाई. एक्स स्किप. ओ एम एन स्किप. चलो 7 क्वेश्चन निकल गया. कमिंग टू 8, अब आया हमारा फोर्टे, दैट इज अरिथमेटिक. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज Rahul, Rakshita and Gurmeet working together would have taken more than 7 days to finish the job. On the other hand, Rahul and Gurmeet working together would have taken less than 15 days to finish the job. However, they all worked together for 6 days, followed by Rakshita, who worked alone for 3 more days to finish the job. Rakshita had worked alone on the job. The number of days she would have taken to finish the job cannot be. Very standard question of time and work. Okay. बस एक कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दे दिया ये, more than this days, less than this days, this might have confused. Okay, उसको छोड़ के उसको इग्नोर करके सॉल्व करता है. ठीक है, राहुल x, रक्षिता y and गुरमीत z, ये ले लिया. नंबर ऑफ डेज टेकन बाय देन. ओके, वुड हैव टेकन मोर देन 7 days टू फिनिश जॉब. सो फॉर नाउ मोर देन को भूल जाओ, वुड हैव टेकन 7 ले लो. ठीक है, सो 1 by x प्लस 1 by y प्लस 1 by z, 7 days ले लिया हमने. ठीक है, नाउ ऑन द अदर हैंड राहुल एंड गुरमीत वुड हैव टेकन less than 15 days. So Rahul and Gurmeet means y1, Rahul means x, sorry, 1 by x, Gurmeet z, 15. Okay, for now bhul jao more. Now they all work together for 6 days, so 6 days they all together work. So 6 by x, or we can directly write 6, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Okay, who worked 6 days, followed by Rakshita, who worked alone for 3 more days. So Rakshita means y, so 3 by y, and the work was completed. Okay, so basically work is 1. Now can we solve this? We know the value of this, substitute that, so we'll get 6 by 7 plus 3 by y plus 1. 3 by y equal to 1 by 7, or y equal to 21. The question is asking then the number of days she would have taken to the job, finish the job cannot be. Okay, so we got 21. Okay, so 21 तो आंसर नहीं होगा for sure, because क्यों नहीं होगा 21 आंसर? बिकॉज वी आर दिस इज द कंडीशन व्हेन वी इग्नोर दिस मोर एंड लेस देन. ओके, सो बट मोर और लेस विल नॉट बी इग्नोर्ड. ओके, सो आंसर हैज टू बी लाइक इफ वी डोंट अप्लाई ब्रेन भाई, सॉरी, बाय ब्रेन आई मीन लाइक ये लेस देन ग्रेटर देन के बारे में ना सोचे, तब 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 हम क्या गैस कर सकते हैं? सो 21 तो नहीं हो सकता, सो लेस देन 21 होगा आंसर, ये तो ग्रेटर देन 21 होगा. ओके, ठीक है, चलो लेस देन 21 उठाते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज कैन नॉट बी. ओके, लेस देन 21 में बहुत सारे ऑप्शन दिख रहे हैं. ओके, सो आंसर हैज टू बी ग्रेटर देन 21 और इक्वल 21, राइट? बिकॉज लेस देन 21 तो बहुत दिख रहा है हमें. सो ये तीनों ऑप्शन तो क्लियरली बच गए एंड दिस इज द आंसर. ओके, नाउ द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस, कैसे हुआ 21 आंसर? ओके, this 21 answer we are getting when we have taken that all of them are equal. Okay, but we know that time taken, this is greater and this is less, so answer has to be certainly less than 21. Okay, so for that reason 21 is not possible. So this is the answer. Okay, तीन मार्क्स आ गए. 3 मार्क्स आ गए मतलब हम कहाँ पहुंच गए? अभी कहीं नहीं पहुंचे, अभी वहीं है जहां थे वहीं. चलो 3 मार्क्स आ गए. ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन आई एम राइटिंग इट समवेयर. वन क्वेश्चन वी हैव डन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Just a second. Question number 8 we have done. Okay, next one. Anil mixes cocoa with sugar in the ratio 3:2 to prepare a mixture A. Coffee with sugar in the ratio this. He combines mixture A and B in the ratio 2:3 to make a mixture C. If he mixes C with an equal amount of milk to make a drink, then the percentage sugar in this. बहुत ही standard question of averages and arithmetic हमारा forte. Okay, करना ही है तो कुछ भी, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं इसको स्किप करने का. ठीक है, स्टार्ट. बहुत स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, लेंदी अपीयर होगा बट हैज बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. अनिल मिक्सर्स कोकोआ विद शुगर इन द रेशियो. सो मिक्सचर ए कोकोआ CO sugar 3:2 and coffee with sugar in the ratio 7:3 to prepare mixture B. So mixture B, ये भी हो गया यार, CF लिख देता हूँ. कॉफी he mixes coffee with sugar 7:3, so 7:3. He combines the mixture A and B in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so first of all before combining हमें denominator same करना होगा. Okay, this is the standard rule. So total is 3 to 5. If you see, this is total is 3 to 5 and this is 7 to 3 10. Okay, so 5 को 10 में convert करने के लिए into 2 करना होगा. So we can write this as into 2, so 6 or 4, right? Now we have 6 cocoa, 4 sugar, 3 sugar from here and 7. Okay, mixture A mixture B 2:3 में मिक्स कर रहा है. 2 इसमें से 3 इसमें से. ओके, ठीक है, 2 इसमें से मिक्स कर रहा है तो फाइनली हमारे पास कितना हो जाएगा? कोकोआ 2 6 12 और ये कितना होगा? 2 4 8 3 3 9 3 7 21, राइट? ठीक है, इतना हो गया. अब देखो, द क्वेश्चन इज इफ ही मिक्सेस C विथ एन इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क टू मेक अ ड्रिंक. ये जो नया मिक्सचर बना है ये C है. ठीक है, टोटल C कितना होगा? इनिशियली 10 था तो 20 यहाँ से आएगा, 10 into 2 20, यहाँ भी 10 था तो 10 into 3 30, सो टोटल 50. इनिशियली 50 था, अब 50 मिल्क वो मिक्स कर दिया. ठीक है, 50 मिल्क वो मिक्स कर दिया. ओके, तो ये हमारा फाइनल मिक्सचर प्रिपेयर हो गया. द क्वेश्चन इज देन द परसेंटेज ऑफ शुगर. शुगर कितना है? 9 8 17, राइट? 17 by 50 इनिशियली एंड 50 एक्स्ट्रा, सो 17 by 100, सिंपली 17%. इजी क्वेश्चन. हमने दो क्वेश्चन कर लिए. ठीक है, फिर मैं कहीं लिख लेता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 भी हो गया. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन था, इसे बिल्कुल टफ कहने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं, बहुत ही सीधा सा क्वेश्चन था. ठीक है, डन. अगला क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. ये तो भाई मैंने मतलब हजारों बार प्रमोट किया अलग अलग जगह ये वाला वीडियो, दैट इज डिसऑनेस्ट सेलर. फिर एक बार प्रमोट करता हूँ, डिसऑनेस्ट सेलर वाली वीडियो जिसने भी देखी होगी उसने ये ऑन द स्पॉट तुरंत कर लिया होगा, कोई मतलब विदाउट एनी सेकंड थॉट. ओके, लेट अस सी कैसे होगा. एक लाइन में बताता हूँ उसका सॉल्यूशन. एक लाइन, वन लाइनर सॉल्यूशन. ओके, a man purchases a cloth at a rate of 100 per meter and receives 5 centimeter length of cloth free. So देखो, सपोज वो 100 क्लॉथ खरीदा और उसे 105 मिला. ओके, सो इसका मतलब ये क्या है? इसका मतलब उसे प्रॉफिट है. प्रॉफिट मतलब मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर ग्रेटर देन 1. ओके, सो प्रॉफिट मतलब मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर ग्रेटर देन 1, लॉस मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर लेस देन 1. ओके, सो 5 सेंटीमीटर एक्स्ट्रा मिला, सो 105 by 100, ये इसका मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर. नाउ फॉर एवरी 100, ओके, he sells the same cloth at 110 per meter but cheap, so he sells at 110 and bought at 100. okay, again इसका प्रॉफिट है, so multiplying factor greater than दिस ओके ये but he cheats his customer by giving 95 centimeter of cloth for every 100 centimeter of the cloth purchased. Again he cheats मतलब चीटिंग कर रहा है तो उसको फायदा है, तो वो बस 95 ही दे रहा है और 100 का प्राइस ले रहा है, ठीक है. इफ मर्चेंट प्रोवाइड्स अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 5% देन रिजल्टिंग प्रॉफिट एंड बाय डिस्काउंट 5% मीन्स 95 100 का है, 95 का बेच रहा है. एंड डिस्काउंट इफ यू कंसीडर लाइक बस डिस्काउंट के बारे में सोचे तो वो उसका लॉस है. सो मल्टीप्लाई फैक्टर लेस देन 1. ओके सो 95/100. ओके ये पूरा फैक्टर इससे कट गया. इसको सॉल्व करो यूजिंग ऑन स्क्रीन कैलकुलेटर. 105 इंटू 110. सो ये आएगा 1.155. सो एज आई टोल्ड इतना फैक्टर आ गया, इसको इग्नोर कर दो. ये 1 बेसिकली क्या दिखाता है, इफ द इफेक्टिव वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 1 सो हमारा प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट ओवरऑल. अगर ये लेस देन 1 आता तो हमारा लॉस होता, ठीक है. तो इसमें से बस इतने, अगर ग्रेटर देन 1 है तो इतने को इग्नोर कर दो. और 15.155 ये नंबर में हुआ, परसेंटेज में 100 से मल्टीप्लाई, सो 15.5% प्रॉफिट इज द आंसर. एक लाइन में सॉल्यूशन, ये है सॉल्यूशन इसका, ठीक है. ये तो कैलकुलेशन पार्ट है, इसको थोड़ी कंसीडर करेंगे, ठीक है. एक लाइन में सॉल्यूशन है. तो ये था, ठीक है. कितना क्वेश्चन कर लिया हमने, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 10 कर लिया, 10 कर लिया. तो हम कहाँ पहुंच गए, कम बैक, वापस आओ पेज नंबर पे, परसेंटाइल वाले पे. 3 क्वेश्चन कर लिया हमने, 3 क्वेश्चन कर लिया, 9 नंबर, 80 परसेंटाइल कहीं नहीं गया था, ठीक है. 3 क्वेश्चन हमने ये क्रॉस्ड, ये दिस इज सेलिब्रेशन वाला ये, ठीक है. डोंट कंसीडर ये वाला ये. ओके दिस इज वी हैव क्रॉस 3 क्वेश्चन, 80 परसेंटाइल पार हो गया, ठीक है. बहुत बड़ी. अभी कहाँ पे हम लोग, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पे थे, आराम से हो गया, ठीक है. अब 11 मतलब ये इससे आसान क्वेश्चन पूरे पेपर में नहीं था, ठीक है, पूरे उसमें. लेट अस स्टार्ट. देयर आर 3 पर्सन ए बी सी इन द रूम. If a person D joins the room, the average weight of the persons in the room reduces by x kg. Instead of D, if person E joins the room, the average weight of persons in the room increase by 2x kg. If weight of E is 12 kg more than D, the value of x is. ओके तो इसको मैं बहुत ही हाई फाई तरीके से बताता हूँ. एक्स रेशियो एक्स वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, ऐसे करे. कॉम्प्लिकेट मतलब कॉम्प्लिकेट क्या, वो थोड़ा सा मतलब जिसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज्यादा वही कर सकता. इसको सिंपली इक्वेशन से करता, ठीक है. इक्वेशन बनाना तो सबको आता ही होगा. So 3 person A B C in the room. Okay, so suppose करो A B C का टोटल वेट है K, एवरेज K है, so टोटल वेट हो गया 3K, ठीक है. Now if D joins the room, the average weight of the person in the room reduces by X. अब D ज्वाइन किया, ठीक है, तो एवरेज हो गया, एवरेज था पहले K, so 3 भूल जाओ, ठीक है. एवरेज था पहले K, ठीक है. अब एवरेज क्या हो गया, रिड्यूस हो गया, K माइनस एक्स इंटू 4, ठीक है. अब क्या दिया है, इंस्टेड ऑफ डी इफ ई जॉइन्स द रूम द एवरेज वेट ऑफ द पर्संस इन द रूम इंक्रीज बाय 2x. ओके सो ए प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी की जगह ई आ गया, तो एवरेज पहले था K, वो बढ़ जाता, इंक्रीज बाय 2x, सो K प्लस 2x इंटू 4. इफ द वेट ऑफ ई इज 12 मोर देन डी, सो ई माइनस डी इज 12 द वैल्यू ऑफ x. बहुत ज्यादा सवाल, इजी सवाल हो गया. If we subtract both of them, what do we get? We get equation 2 minus 1 कर रहे हैं because we know that E is greater than D. Okay, very fair reason. E minus D. Okay, so 4K इसको लिख लो 4K plus 8x, इसको लिख लो 4K minus 4x. Okay, E minus D कितना आएगा, ये कट गया, 8 plus 4 12x. Okay, we know that E minus D is 12x, x equal to 1. खत्म. बहुत ही ज्यादा आसान सवाल था, बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 भी हो गया, 4 क्वेश्चन हो गए, ठीक है. कहाँ पहुंच गए हम लोग, 4 क्वेश्चन मतलब 12 मार्क्स. कहाँ पहुंच गए हम लोग, 12 मार्क्स, 90 परसेंटाइल आ गया. पता नहीं 90 परसेंटाइल कहाँ गया था, ये भी रीच हो गया, ठीक है. अब 95 पे आते हैं. थोड़ा सा स्केल अप भी हुआ वैसे, लेकिन इसको कंसीडर किए बिना करते, ठीक है. 12 इधर पॉपुलेशन इज एक्स, फिर एक्स आ गया, x%, ये वो स्किप. अ बोट ट्रेवल्स दिस और ट्रैवल 3, ये भी क्वेश्चन है तो टाइम एंड वर्क है, बट लेकिन ये एक्चुअली में कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन था और ये ऐसे फिगर्स देख के यू शुड हैव इग्नोर्ड इट, सो इग्नोर करते हैं. ओके सो अब देखते हैं गौतम एंड सुहानी वर्किंग टुगेदर कैन फिनिश अ जॉब. ओके सो फेयर इनफ क्वेश्चन. वर्क, टाइम एंड वर्क फिर आ गया, दो क्वेश्चन पूरा अरिथमेटिक, ठीक है. forte हमारा है तो ये करना है. Gautam and Suhani working together can finish a job in 20 days. So Gautam X, Suhani Y. Finish a job in 20 days. So 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by 20. Take. If Gautam does only 60% of his usual work on the day, okay, so initially he was taking X days. Since he is doing 60% work only, okay, so number of days taken by him will increase and it will become X by 0.6. Okay, so this will be this will be X by 0.6, so this becomes, just a second, 10 by 6. Okay, 2 3 6 2 5 10. So 5x by 3 days in this case he will take. Okay, so 3 by 5x. And Suhani must do 150% of his usual work. So if she does 150% of her usual work, so time taken by her will reduce. And okay, initially she was taking y, now she will take 1 by this. Okay, so this will become 10y by 15. Okay, so this will be 2y by 3. Okay, so we'll write 3 by 2y equal to 1 by 20, or we can multiply by 10 both the sides. Okay, so multiplying 10 both the sides, we will get 5 to 10, 2 3 6. Okay, 6 by x plus 6 by y equal to, not 6 over here, 2 5 10 5 3 15 equal to 1 by 2, right? This expression is not needed anymore, this equation. Now we know that 6 by x plus 6 by y, 15 can be written as 9 plus 6, so we'll write 9 by y. This is equal to 1 by 2. Now we know that 1 by x plus 1 by y is 20, so this can be written as we did previously, 6 by 20 plus 9 by y equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now just solve this, nothing in it. 9 by y equal to 1 by 2, write it as 10 minus 6, 4 by 20, so 4 by 20, so this is 1 by 5. So 9 by y equal to 1 by 5, y is equal to 45. Okay, so 45 we got, but the question is the number of days required by faster worker. Faster worker means lesser days. Okay, so we'll calculate x as well. So 1 by x plus y is 1 by 45 equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so 1 by x equal to 180 it can be, so 9 by 180 minus 4 by 180, so 5 by 180 equal to 1 by x, so x will be 36. Okay, so faster worker means lesser number of days. This also was controversy, this, like, people are saying that answer 45 over 45, but the question is faster worker. Okay, faster worker means lesser days, so 36, so 36 is the answer to this question. So we also did 14. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 question हो गए. ठीक है, 5 question means 15 marks. So where we are actually, let's come back to this percentile map. 15 question. Okay, so we are about to reach this that 18 marks cutoff. Okay, so 5 question we are done. Okay, already we have cleared cutoff for maximum colleges, all the colleges in fact. Okay, sectional cutoff. Let us see now. Question number 14 is done. Next question, again a very standard question. The number of coins collected per week by two coin collectors A and B are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, so A and B are in the ratio 3:4. If the total number of coins collected by A in 5 weeks means 3:4. Okay, so 5 weeks में कितने हो जाएंगे, 15x, or leave it as it is. Okay, in 5 weeks is a multiple of 7 and the total number of coins collected by B in 3 weeks is a multiple of 24. Then the minimum possible number of coins collected by A in the week is. Okay, so 5 weeks mein we have to get the multiple of 21. Okay, again looks very doable question, but like not to be done in the first round. Okay, so leave it for now. Come to the next question. A fruit seller sells half stock of mangoes, bananas and apples with at least one type of fruit each. At the beginning of a day, the number of mangoes make up 40% of his stock. That day he sells half of this and this. Okay, so like थोड़ा बड़ा काम करके इतने से ही लग रहा, थोड़ा लेंदी क्वेश्चन. Okay, okay, so for now we'll leave this. We have lot of options to cover. This is the question again. Rectangle नहीं है, 4 है, ठीक है, ठीक है, तो like you can leave this. Okay, for now, not for the final. Okay, we are right now doing only arithmetic question. Okay, so this is also an easy one. Okay, anyway, this is very direct question, but anyway, since we are doing only arithmetic. Okay, so this is also a little bit tougher one, not tougher I would say, but yes, if you want you can leave this. Okay, a and is this, a and this. So now 22 question, all are like these, all are algebra only, so I have said to leave it. Okay, so how many questions were we able to do this now? Okay, this is also an algebra, this question can be done. Okay, as of now how many questions did we do? 1 2 3 4 5. Question number 8 9 10, 11 and 14. Okay, so 15 marks we easily got. Okay, 15 marks we easily got. Where is the 15 marks? Did not go anywhere. Okay, with only arithmetic. Okay, 15 marks is approximately 95. Okay, 95 नहीं आया तो approx आ ही गया. ठीक है. So they were claiming tough, but see, 15 mark was easy. In initial 20 minutes only you can do this. Okay, so 15 marks was easily. Okay, now let us try to figure out some more questions. Okay, can we do or not? Okay, we will try to get at least to this 21 benchmark. Okay, again, so algebra is our last priority. Okay, last priority is algebra. Okay, our priority is arithmetic, and since we are not doing algebra, so algebra at the end will keep, or we can ignore it as well. Okay, so next priority is number system. Okay, and then geometry if possible. Okay, and our maximum aim is to get to the mark of this 21. Okay, although this much was achievable, those who did a little bit more, but let's see. Okay, we'll try only 98. Okay, so for everyone it is a fair game. Okay, this is algebra we are leaving, this is algebra we are leaving algebra or number system mix we are leaving. This question, very standard question, very easy question. Okay, the sum of the first two natural numbers each having 15 factors including one and the number itself. Okay, so total number of factors is given to us as 15. Okay, while solving number system many a times you must have already done this question. Okay, many times 15 factors are there. Okay, so if 15 factors are there, what can be the number form, what all number are possible? Okay, so we just have to simply break it 15. So 15 can be written as 15 into 1, and another way of writing 15 as 3 into 5. No other way we have, right? So let us do this. The sum of the question is asking first two natural numbers. Okay, first two natural numbers, what does this mean? So when we arrange them, it is starting two means minimum numbers, minimum possible numbers. Okay, so if we go for this way, the number will be a to the power 14 form. Okay, whereas if we go for this way, a square, because we know that 3 minus 1, and b to the power 4, this will be the form of the number, right? This will be the form number. Okay, so clearly we can say that like whatever number we take, this a to the power 14 will exceed this case. Okay, so we are ultimately left with only one case, that is a square into b4, right? So let us start. First number. Okay, since first number we have to take, so we'll try to take a, b are prime numbers, we anyway know this. Okay, so a, b are prime numbers. So what do? We'll take smaller numbers, as small as possible values for a and b. Okay, so we'll take, in place of a we'll take 3, since b is, so b2. Okay, now the question may come, why did we not take in place of a 2 to 2 and in place of b3? You think yourself, if we would have taken this case, then ultimately the answer would have been greater than this. Okay, so this is the smallest possible number. Okay, we'll take and check as well. Okay, so 3 square is 9 and 2 to 4 16, 16 9 144. So this is the smallest possible number. Okay, now as I said, we'll take the other case and check. In place of a we'll keep 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4. So 2 to 2 to 2 to 4, 3 3 9 9 81, 4 1 4 4 8 32, 324, 324 we got. Okay, now the question is, are we sure that this 324 is the second number? So why did I write 324 is the second number? If we aren't, let us check. Okay, now the next possible number for b is 5. Okay, so next possible number for b is 5. So a square, so in place of a we will keep like now we took 2 3, next possible prime is 5. Okay, so now we'll skip 3 and we'll take 5. Okay, so again to get smaller number, the higher power will take smaller number, so 2 to the power 4, and this will be 5 square. Okay, so this we can write 2 square and 2 into 5 10 square, so 10 square is clearly 100 and this is 4, so 400, so it will exceed. Okay, so 400 will not be taken, so we are sure that these are the two smallest number, and the question is first two natural numbers, so add both. 448 426 314, 468 is the answer. Very easy question this was. Okay, again we did one more question. Question number 5 is done. Okay, so we have done 8, we have done 9, we have done 10, we have done 11, we have done 5, and we have done 14. Okay, so how many questions done? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 18 question. Okay, sorry, 18 marks, 6 question. 18 mark means you are already to the north of 95. In fact, I would say north of 96. Okay, so you are already scoring 96 percentile. Okay, this is enough for you to answer that was CAT 23 QA slot 3 really tough. Very easy standard questions, very easy questions. You are already 96 plus. Okay, let's do one more question and try to reach this mark, and let us then stop. Okay. So next question. Okay, since our second priority, where it is, second priority apart from number system is geometry. Third priority, I mean. Okay, let us come to few geometry questions and let us see can we do that or not. Okay, a rectangle with largest possible area is drawn inside a semicircle. Okay, let us draw a semicircle. Like इतना टफ था, why am I paying heed to these questions? Like इतना टफ था तो obvious सी बात है, like people are saying that they are not able to score even 3 marks. टाइम तो बहुत होगा, 40 मिनट तो मिलता ही है, 40 मिनट्स तो मिलता ही है, तो इतना टाइम तो था ही कि ज्योमेट्री क्वेश्चन ऐसे फिगर बना के टाइम पास किए तो होंगे ही. ठीक है, लेट अस सी. ओके, rectangle is inscribed, rectangle with largest possible is inscribed, is drawn inside or inscribed whatever you say of 2, then ratio of length of largest to the smallest side of the rectangle. Okay, so जब भी like, अब तो बताना मान लो देर होगी, लेकिन जब भी ऐसा दिखे, ऐसा क्वेश्चन लार्जेस्ट पॉसिबल ये, सो ऑलवेज लुक फॉर सिमेट्री. ओके, so if we draw a rectangle like this, okay, then we will take 2. We know that this is how much, this is 2, this is 2, right? This will be how much, this will be 90 degrees, so this will be 2 root 2, and then you can easily take the ratio and you will get 2 stone. Okay, I'm leaving this, like इसको not counting an easy one. Okay, leave it. This question यार count तो मतलब mod में करना चाहिए. Let us see. Okay, and this one is counted easy. Okay, so ABC be an isosceles triangle. Okay, बस फिगर बना के क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. ABC, AB and AC are equal length. Okay, AD is altitude, this is altitude from A on BC, and B is altitude from B on AC. Altitude means 90 degree, altitude means 90 degree. Okay, AOB is 105, this is A, AOB is 105. Okay, clearly दिख रहा है कि this is linear pair, so this will be 75 because total is 180. Okay, now the question is AD by BE we have to find out. Okay, whether AD by BE. Okay, so basically ratio of both the altitudes we have to find out. Okay, let us now think what can we do. This angle will be, or leave it as it is. Okay, so see, if we pick up this angle is equal to this, again I'm like कि क्वेश्चन तो हो जाएगा ये, लेकिन बट आई वोंट कंसिडर दिस in mod or easy question. So before this, let us come to one more question, that is the last one, direct formula based. Okay, this will come to this later on. Question number 19. Okay, in a regular polygon any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degree. Okay, so कोई भी interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degree, then the number of diagonals of this polygon. Okay, hope you know the formula is n minus 3 by 2. Okay, this formula you should have known, और इन केस नहीं पता तो वो भी बताता हूँ अभी निकाल के कैसे निकालते हैं. ठीक है, इंटीरियर एंगल, एनी इंटीरियर एंगल फॉर्मूला सबको पता होता है, लाइक ये पता होना चाहिए, n माइनस 2 इंटू 180 बाई एन. एक्सटीरियर एंगल 360 बाई एन. ओके, इसका डिफरेंस दिया है 120. ओके, इंटीरियर एक्सीड, सो इंटीरियर ज़्यादा होगा एज कम्पेयर टू एक्सटीरियर, सो इंटू 180 बाई एन minus 360 by n, this is given to us as 120. Okay, cancel this. Let us divide by 18 both the sides, or let us divide by 12 or leave it as it is. Okay, send this n RHS. 18 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 18 इस साइड भेज दिया, सो ये गेट्स कैंसल्ड, ये बिकम ट्वाइस, n उधर चला गया, so 6 to 12 6 3 2 by 3, so n goes that side, n minus 2 equal to 2n by 3, so n minus 4 equal to 2n by 3, so 3n minus 12 equal to 2n, so n is 12, right? We got n is 12. Okay, now the number of diagonals will be what, 12 into 9 by 2, 2 6 12 9 6 54. Fair enough. ठीक है, ये तब हुआ जब जिसको ये फॉर्मूला पता है, one who knows this formula. Okay, one who knows this formula can do this. Okay, what if someone does not know this formula? Okay, as I told that एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं हो रहा था, एग्जाम में टाइम ही टाइम था. ठीक है, तो you could have easily taken the example of square rectangle or two. Number of diagonals is how much? 2. Okay, 2. So like थोड़ा मोड़ा तो पता ही होना चाहिए, कभी ना कभी यूज किया वो, तो how can we make n is 4 over here, number of diagonal is 2. So if you know like n minus 3, हल्का हल्का भी याद हो तो n minus 3 1 हो गया, divided by 2, so 2 आ गया, ठीक है। So basically we can generalize this as n minus 3 by 2, okay, ठीक है। ये उनके लिए जिनको थोड़ा मोड़ा भी याद है, बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट नहीं याद आ रहा लेकिन थोड़ा मोड़ा याद है, ठीक है। तो दिस क्वेश्चन इज अगेन डूएबल। So question 19 is also done. 19 is done, so we are done with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 questions. So we have done 21 question, okay, sorry 21 marks, 7 question we have done. 21 marks means we are already on 98, okay. And if you pay a little bit more efforts, so what all questions more I think which could have been done in exam is this one. I can tell you the solution already uploaded previously, okay. This question is doable, this is +3 which can be done, okay. And this is also like अभी diagram बना के 2:1 clearly answer आएगा, ठीक है, +3, but I'm not considering this. This is also doable, but I'm not considering this anyway, okay. So like if I see now, if I come to the conclusion that I 96 percentile, first of all where did we reach, okay. Question number 8, question number 9, 10, 11, 14, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा 15 मार्क्स बिल्कुल डुएबल थे। 15 मार्क्स मीन्स यू ऑलरेडी क्रॉस 96 एंड यू आर ऑलमोस्ट 93 94, ओके। यू इजिली क्रॉस 93 94, ओके, तो बिल्कुल भी डुएबल थे। और फिर एक दो नंबर सिस्टम क्वेश्चन, सो 95 96 95 प्लस 96, ओके, और इजिली डुएबल, ओके। एंड इन केस यू स्कोर्ड 15 और 16, ऑलरेडी स्केल अप थोड़ा होना था, so you could have easily scored around 97 percentile, okay, easily you could have scored. So I hope that now you can answer this question, was cat 23 QS lot 3 really tough? Okay, with this I would end this. Thank you so much, okay.